Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday the 27th. Let's get right up into it. So, yesterday we had this crazy fall off, which basically resulted in um, a nice little fall off from New York Open. And I don't know what happened, but I didn't even see this until last night. And price pushed up like crazy, but yeah. So right now, what I'm looking at, show you. So when I see something like this, where price is kind of staying on top, let's just keep it real. Higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, right? So let's just call it something like this. Because there was a break of structure, right? In my opinion. You can see price is kind of reacting at the 61.8%. You can see there's ILC right here. ILC inside of an ILC. Alright, don't like it. Something like that, right? Whoa. The price breaking below. We'll see. I mean, shit, like it's already coming down. Damn. It was a big little drop before I even had a chance to let it be known. We can see the reaction right here. Beautiful day today. Alright, so let's just call it for what it is, right? There's like support right here. So this is something we got to watch out for is this area. Supply and demand area right here. It's R2S zone. You can see the reaction right here. That's a pretty big reaction. It's based off of that. So I think if we get a retest, now this is risky just because price is somewhat staying below, right? So hopefully at open we're able to see that price pushes back up into the zone and we can go ahead and take the trade. Small stop loss. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see if I think there was news coming out today. USD, so 530. Okay. So it was actually better than expected. Core durable goods. So core durable goods increased. That's crazy. I didn't think it would. Durable goods orders, obviously, if the orders increased up here, it increased down here. Shit, it actually increased a lot back in June. So increased a lot back in June. So I guess this is kind of normal. This isn't that big of news. So the news is all kind of good today. I guess pending home sales, that'll be crazy. And then we have FOMC. So price might not do anything until FOMC. We might see some consolidation right here. So I think that's important. But we can see prices kind of moving back up into its zone. So let's go ahead and see what it is on basically what we can do right here. So the reason I'm taking the trade, let's just keep it simple. Higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, right? Because it broke below this low, right? But I'm not going to discount the fact that, you know, there's some type of support level being built right here, right? Like obviously I have the R2S, right? You can see that there's support, 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 resistance, resistance, support, support, right? So it's there, but you can see here. So let's see how this finishes, this 15 minute. If this 15-minute finish is crazy, then we know that, okay, there's a possibility that it pushes up. All right, we have it crossing over here. We got rejections from the bottom. So I think it's key, but we'll see what price does right now, right before open. We got about 5 minutes, 4 minutes left. We'll see what it gives us, if it gives us an entry. But we got to be tight here because all the respect that's being shown on the bottom right here. Oh, look at, see the respect being shown right here. So it's definitely something that we're going to have to take a look at. But let me go ahead and get my shit ready. See what we got here. It's not a strong trade. I'm not going to risk a lot on this trade. And I know that 11 o'clock will probably be the better time to go ahead and get the trade going. But if I can make money before FOMC, then I'm going to do that because FOMC is always, how would I say, it's always going to be that way, right? Where purchase, oh man, I hope I didn't buy no shit for fun. Um, with FOMC, it's essentially like a news can do anything. If you don't know what you're doing, or okay, sorry guys. Look at that. That shit's kind of coming down. I was gonna put something in, but I usually don't like to do that until open. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of strength to the downside. See if we get a little bit of a retracement. If we get that retracement, then we could really see what's what. Put the 1 minute chart on this side. Yeah, the 1 minute price is still bouncing off of that 50 EMA. Still respecting it, pushing up from it. So, but let's see, we're in a tough spot. So let's see what's what. Oh, a little bit of a support being built right here too, right? Resistance, support. So let's see. We got 2 minutes till open, a minute and a half till open. So let's see. Any more makeups? All right, T minus 1 minute. Gotta let your nuts hang. Let's see what's what. Now remember, small risk, not that many confirmations, but let's see what the market gives us, you know? Now it's starting to retrace. Okay, it's a big push up. Okay, yeah, 20 seconds. Hey, see. Whoa, shit. That looks like a big push. I put a little sell in right now, small risk, because if it passes up here, then I'm getting out. So I'm gonna have a tiny stop loss, something like this. So if it pushes past that, then I'm out, you know? So we'll see what it does. Small risk. If it pushes past that, then I'm out. So we'll see what it gives us right now. Reason I'm taking that is just a key area. We see there's a bunch of rejections at this area. Well, showing some respect. Let's see if it keeps it though. It could still push up from here. It could still do its thing from here. So let's see. Hmm. I don't know if I should just get out. It looks like it's coming up, but no, let's just respect it. If it hits the stop loss, 25 pips. I only have a .04 in there, so I'm risking about 100 bucks. Um, let's see. Okay. See how it finishes this last 15 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds. Okay. All right, I think we're in business a little bit here. See if it can keep it though. See if it can break through all this, right? Like it has to break through this. That's the key. If it doesn't break through here, then we know that the trade is invalid. So, all right, we're in business. I would move stops to break even if I was you guys personally. Um, has to break through everything, right? This is key right here. I'm gonna take some profit right here just to take it. Now, everything else is going to break even. 297. I had a position. I put stops at 295. I'll put stops at 300. Yeah, I'll put stops at 300 for my bigger positions. And that's a big rejection off of that area, which I don't like. Really don't like it. So on the 1 minute, let me show you right here. Just rejected the 15 minute 50 EMA. And on the 1 minute, now we got to see if it can use this as resistance and continue down to the downside. Now it looks decent. Last 6 seconds it started doing that. Let's see if it can go ahead and hold this for the remainder, right? I want it to come down, but you can see the respect's being shown here, and that's why I took some profits at this point. Because you can see that there's respect being shown. It's really volatile. We got to break through here. because the 50 EMA is being hella respected right now. Really respected. So this is the 15-minute 50 EMA coming across. So we need price to break through here. If it doesn't, then we know that there's a good chance that price pushes up. So it could sit right here in between this area too. I think that's definitely a possibility that it just consolidates, maybe pushes up. Who knows? But if we can get it to break through here and break below here, we're definitely in business. So look at that. It's kind of respecting it, right? Wicking out of the zone. Still respecting this, so it's kind of in I forgot the word that I used for that. I don't like the way it finished, but yeah, you can see it's kind of pushing up, right? Our stops are already at break even, so if it stops us out, it stops us out. Ah, no way. I just got stopped out on my lower position. Oh shit, I almost lost money. 22 cents. It's a big push on the 1 minute. Looks like it has a lot of momentum to the upside. I don't want to put in any buys right here, even though I think it could go up. Um, I don't want to put any buys in. Just got stopped out of all of my positions. Damn. $75 for the day. Hmm. How many seconds we have left? I just put a little sell in right now. Now, it might be a dumb move because it looks like there's a lot of momentum, but oh, yeah, it's a dumb move. Let me close that. That was definitely a dumb move. All right, yeah, close that. Damn, it left me with $18. Took a $56 loss on that shit. Well, I guess it is what it is, right? Man, for us technically headed into a recession, um, damn. I don't have nothing in right now, nothing at all, but definitely seems like it's pushing up. Whoa. So this is something that I kind of seen like even on a small scale, you see resistance, 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 and now you can see it's kind of using it as support and bouncing off of it. If we could see price break through here, then we know that there's a better opportunity that is ready to sell off. But since it's not breaking through, right, it's using it as respect, we can kind of see that as all right, price is probably going to continue to push up, right? Got about 15 seconds left. If it stays like that, it's going to push up. And look at it's pushing up. Ah, looks like it might continue to push up right here. It's enough strength right there for it to continue up. I put a little small buy-in. Everything against my rules, so I don't recommend you guys do it. It's very risky. I don't like trading breakouts, but I feel like there's a lot of momentum right here. I'm in at 325. I'm only up about 5 pips. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even right now. If it stops me out, fuck it. Try to make some of this money back that I lost. I'm breaking up though, huh? Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Let's see. My bad. I'm looking at my phone too. Oh, we have another area right there too. Let me fix this. I'm in at 325 on a buy. The reason I took the buy is just because I might close the buy right here. Who knows? I'm up about 100 bucks, 123 bucks. It's gonna give me my money back for the day. I'm down 99. You know what? I'm gonna close it. So I just closed it right now. Put me back at $17 for the day. It might continue to push up, but um, truthfully, I think I'm gonna just wait for FOMC. Um, I don't know the direction that it's going right now. That's just me being honest. It looks like it's going straight up though. Like it looks like it's gonna make its way up a long, long way. Now that I look at the 15 minute, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So when I look at the 15 minute, this is what I see. So I pulled my position already, got me back to $17 for the day. Probably could have held because I think prices are gonna actually make it up to this next level up top. So I think it's gonna push up to here, and maybe it takes a while, but I think at one of these levels we're gonna see a big rejection. One of these levels, we'll see. So you can see a huge rejection here. Still has to finish the 15-minute candle, but this 15-minute candle looks like a lot of momentum to the upside. Um, but yeah, you can see the rejection off the 15-minute 50 EMA, resistance to support zone right here. Boom, price respected it, shot up. So, it is what it is. I have nothing in right now. I am at $17 for the day, so I'll take fuck it. I was just down 100, and I think I'm gonna wait for FOMC. So you know what? If you guys have time today, I'll be on FOMC today, and we could win, lose, or draw on that motherfucker. It's a crazy time to trade. Um, very crazy time to trade. But yeah, we gotta make sure that if I would say if you guys are gonna trade with me at FOMC, just really, 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 really understand the risk that it could go anywhere at any point in time, no matter if the news is good, price could fly down and be, the market react badly. Price is terrible, somehow, some way the market reacts positively. So I've seen it before, and it's kind of crazy how it happens. But if you guys are down to join me on FOMC, I'll be live, and we'll just go about it that way. This is a big day, one of the biggest days the market's had in terms of news in a long time. So yeah, it's going to continue to push. I think it will. Probably could have kept it in. Um, but yeah, so I think we have a big day ahead of us. FOMC. The real trade was here off of this area. I knew it, but I said, you know what? Price broke structure. and it broke this low. So I thought as soon as that happened, all right, well, let's just keep it to what we're at, what we know. Um, but it is what it is. We're able to adjust to it. Up $17 going into FOMC today. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and do that. FOMC today at 11 a.m. If you guys are interested, go ahead and hop on a live stream, and we'll be there. So appreciate you guys for hopping on. Um, FOMC today at 11. Just know. All right. So 11 a.m. today. If you want to hop on with me, I'll be on. Let's get it.